A metal rod of cross-sectional area 1 centimeter square, okay, is heated at one end. Fine. Now at an instant of time, the temperature gradient, that is dt by dx, is 5 degrees Celsius per centimeter at, let's say, at A, and it is equals to 2.5 degree per centimeter at B. Calculate the rate at which the temperature is increasing in the part AB of the rod. The heat capacity of the part AB is 0.4 and the thermal conductivity of the rod is given as 200 watt per meter. So we know that dq by dt is given by Ka dt by dx. Fine. So let's say at point A I have dq A by dt is equals to Ka dt A by dx, and at point B similarly I can write dq B by dt is equals to Ka dt B by dx. Alright, now due to this there is a temperature increase in the part AB of the rod due to the temperature gradient. Fine. So clearly the, let's say, Q is the heat that is gained by the rod, so this Q will be written as mc delta T. This is the temperature variation of the rod AB. So on differentiating both sides, I have dq by dt as mc delta T by dt. Okay. Now, of course, this Q will be equal to QB minus QA, or I can write dq by dt as dqB by dt minus dqa by dt. So substituting this over here and this two over here, I have mc dt by dx dt by dt is equals to Ka dta by dx minus dtb by dx. Substituting the values, I have the value of mass as it will be equal to 0.4 into dt by dt that I have to calculate is equals to K, that is given by 200. Area of cross section is 1 centimeter square, 10 to the power minus 4, and dta by dx is 5 degrees Celsius per centimeter, so it will be 0.5 degrees Celsius per meter, and similarly for B. On solving this equation, I get the value of dt by dx as 12.5 degree Celsius per centimeter, or it will be 1.25 degrees Celsius per meter. That is my answer.